back with markets at noon, and let's shift focus to the recent listing that we've seen, new kid on the block, and that's Glottis Limited. So let's get into interaction with their management. Joining us on the show are Mr. Ramkumar Senthilvel, the promoter and managing director, and Kuttappan Manikandan, the promoter and managing director of Glottis Limited. Good afternoon, gentlemen. And Mr. Kuttappan, help us understand what's the key growth trigger post-listing, your capacity expansion, global tie-ups, or new sectors like renewables. Where would the key thrust lie?
We are already there in the renewables actually. That will grow forward. If you look at the Indian energy requirement, definitely for next 5 years there is definitely a growth over there. Apart from that, there are a lot of traditional items which we have been doing. India's strong items, agro, minerals, these all will keep us enabling our growth. Apart from this, with the IPO proceeds, we are looking into this purchase of the new trailers, like 150 trailers and then 1,000 containers, will definitely help growing Glottis in the next upcoming quarters.
Understood. So that's as far as the growth trajectory is concerned. But Mr. Ramkumar, if you can tell us, how do you plan to differentiate your company in an already crowded logistics and freight forwarding market? What differentiates your company versus others?
So Glottis, we differentiate ourselves with a high volume player. So high volume player means execution also need a lot of perfection. So Glottis is doing this execution, especially on the ocean freight, with 100% accuracy and perfection. So this is one of the reasons why we have long customer base and big customer base and long journey along with the customer. So we are definitely positive on it going forward, and the backward integration what we are currently doing will also increase the strength. This could furthermore give confidence to our existing customers.
Right. And Mr. Ramkumar, given your global network, how are you hedging against volatility in freight rates and global trade routes?
So we have multiple customers, like long-term customers and short-term customers. Like long-term customers freight, we used to hedge back to back with our vendors. And second, this volumes what we have been doing, we are able to manage to get promising support from our vendors. Finally, the backward integration, like how we are buying containers, this could help us reducing the dependency with vendors, and we could at least time being we could like control the pricing for time being.
Understood. And Mr. Kuttappan, I also wanted your thoughts on your expansion plans. How do you plan to invest towards fleet expansion, technology and warehousing? If you can elaborate further on that.
We look at the fleets in the market right now. We have been already operating like close to 17 fleets, and we got a very good expertise in using these fleets for our existing customer. Adding this 150 fleets will definitely help us internally. What are the internal requirement of the Glottis will be, the whole 150 will be going forward utilization of our existing volumes. Like if you look at the volumes, we have been handling like close to 112,000 TEUs in last financial year, and this year also the same or more we will be expecting the volume-wise growth. So the same will be utilized for our existing utilization, all the transportation. And if you look at the containers purchase, it will be same. We will go into the usage of our own existing customers between all the Asian regions mostly. And integrating this AI tools with the transportation service will definitely help us to monitor and track the vehicle movements. That will definitely give a overall vision of visibility of what the operation is all about.
Right. And Mr. Ramkumar, lastly, before we let you go, with rising competition from integrated 3PL players, how do you plan to sustain your margins and customer stickiness? How are you looking at retaining your customer base?
As we said, like the main motto for us is to maintain our customer relationship and executing the shipments. So executing the shipments, large number of shipments will give us even more confidence to our existing customers. And pricing, definitely pricing, Glottis will be very competitive compared with the market. And also in terms of execution and the service level. So, and the technology what we are going to give for our customers will help us stick with more. Like we will enhance the customer base, and this will help us growing forward.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now and helping us understand what the growth prospects for the company look like going forward. Thanks so much for joining us today. But on that note, we need to slip into a very short